Gently. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast, beautiful field. What do you see? Warmly. Matthew 5-6 says, "Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled." Picture a child in that field, surrounded by beauty, yet feeling a deep longing. This child hungers not just for food, but for meaning and purpose. This, my child, is what it means to hunger and thirst for righteousness. It's a deep desire to live a life reflecting the heart of God, filled with love, compassion, and truth. The promise is profound. Those who hunger for righteousness will be filled, not with material wealth, but with a deep sense of fulfillment and peace. Imagine a thirsty traveler finding a life-giving spring in the desert. When we seek God's righteousness, our souls are refreshed, our hearts filled with His love. Remember, my child, righteousness is a path to joy, peace, and a deeper connection with God. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled.